Welcome to the best location here in the gated community of traditions at River Oaks. I'm Heather Rhoda with the Rhoda team.
And I'm Jen. Today we get to show you this stunning home at 2663 Willits Lane, and this one is special.
This home is perfectly positioned on a spacious corner lot with no side neighbor, giving you privacy, serenity, and sweeping views of the green. It's the premier location in the neighborhood, just steps away from the community amenities.
And bonus, right in the heart of traditions, you can literally stroll out your door and be at the clubhouse, fitness center, or pool in minutes. That's what we call the ultimate 55 plus Paso Robles lifestyle.
Step inside to what feels like a home-style magazine. Bright white paint, gorgeous espresso hardwood floors that run throughout the main living space, and natural light enhanced by can LED lights, shutters, and stylish shades.
Now this kitchen, solid surface countertops, a large center island, and a cheerful breakfast nook that opens to the backyard. It's the kind of space that makes you want to host Sunday brunch, or at least pretend you're on a cooking show.
And you'll love the adjoining dining room and living room with crown molding, a cozy gas fireplace. It's equal parts elegance and comfort.
Let's talk about this primary suite. It's spacious, upgraded with an 8-foot sliding door that opens right to your backyard retreat. Add in the custom closet organizer, an ensuite bath with dual sinks, walk-in shower, and luxury vinyl plank flooring. It's your personal sanctuary.
Guests aren't left out either. The private guest suite on the opposite side of the home makes it feel easy for visitors to feel right at home.
Okay, but this backyard, wow. For traditions, it's truly exceptional. Mature olive trees, a generous patio with an aluminum cover, and that expansive greenbelt view that makes it feel wide open.
Morning coffee here, yes please, or imagine afternoon gatherings, shaded and breezy. It's low maintenance but high on enjoyment. Cheers!
And don't forget the extras. 2-car garage, indoor laundry with cabinetry, and more of those stylish finishes carried throughout.
2663 Willits Lane is where thoughtful updates, timeless design, and the best locations and traditions all come together. If you've been waiting for the perfect Paso Robles 55 and better lifestyle, this is it.
Call today for your private tour.